What's up, y'all? It's Peaches. I'm back with another video. So excited because we are back with my 2021 nail suite tour. I did one last year. I was in a different place. I'm somewhere new now, so here we are. So you see my candy jar amongst all the pretty decorations, my speaker, because I can't do nails without music. I mean, like, that's just not gonna work for me. I'm excited about the couch, my pedicure area, because I have a new pedicure stand. The old cart was just way too much pressure on my back, my neck. Like, I couldn't do it, okay? So, shout out to my baby for putting it together for me. So, we're over here on the other side of the couch where we have some more decorations, a candy bowl, this whole wall right here. You know, it's just a vibe. Like, I have to work in low lighting, you guys. This place is my home. It's another home for me. I'm here 15 hours a day, like 7 days a week. I really do not take any days off. So in order for me to work here, this is just what it has to look like. I have 2 Alex drawers now instead of the built-in at my last place, because obviously I couldn't take it with me. And on top of that, we have Barbicide. We have some essentials that I use all the time over there. A shout out to Young Nails. I'm a Young Nails girl. Love their monomer. And over here I quoted myself, because this is what I say every day to every client, okay? And on the wall is just my licenses and certificates, because I'm a licensed black nail tech. If you didn't know, now you know, okay? And over here we are at my desk. There's way less stuff on it now. Now it glows. Before it didn't. Those lights were somewhere else. And on the wall we have a light up grid with all my swatches and my pricing. And you guys, I'm just so blessed to be in this new space and blessed to have a freaking sink and not a shampoo bowl. I literally used to have a sign that tells people, like, girl, you're at your own risk. This bowl is gonna spray you, so be careful, you know, like, because the sink do a lot. So this, and I feel like myself and my clients are most excited about the doggone just a regular sink, you feel me? So amongst the wall is one of my favorite Bible verses. I've got some more decorations and a microwave and a mini fridge, because like I said, I live here. If your nail room is not your home, what are you doing, babe? What are you doing? Because this is, for me, this is just how it has to be, okay? This is pretty short. I'll do more in depth on what's in my actual drawers and stuff, but I'm so blessed to be here, you guys. Doing nails is really my passion, so it's important for me to have a space that reflects not only me, but the type of nails that I do, the type of vibe that I want to bring for my clients. So I appreciate y'all. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. I've got more videos coming for y'all. Follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you guys in my next video.